do is it wants me to think of a number without the x involved. See the way there's an x there? Let's forget about the x at the start. What's the largest number that can divide into 4 and 12? Can anybody tell me? Hands up. Largest number that can divide into 4 and 12. What? 4. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1, isn't it? And 4 divided by 12 is, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, the answer for 4 and 12 is in fact 4. You're correct. But what we're going to ask you next is, because there's letters involved, is it the same letter? So the answer is 4x. Can you guys try part 2 and 3 on your own? Would everybody agree that what's the largest number that can divide into 3 and 9? 3. What letter do they have in common? N. Done. What's the largest number that can divide into 10 and 15? Do they have a letter in common? X. All right. Now, more difficult in a second, okay? Does everybody see 3a squared? You know what that means? It means 3a multiplied by another a and 6a. Now, here's the deal. What's the largest number that can divide into 3 and 6? Everybody's saying it's 3, are you? Okay. How many letters do they have in common? What letter do they have in common? A. I can only take out one A. Does everyone understand why? I can take an A out of this one and I can take an A out of that one. But there wasn't enough to take out 2 A's. Does that make sense? Because 6 doesn't have another A. All right. Using that logic, will you guys tell me what you think the answer for 3xy minus 12xx is? 12x squared minus 12xx. What number do you think I can take out? Huh? I can take out an x, yeah? And what number can I take out? 12. What number divides into 3 and 12? 3x. All right. 3x is the largest thing I can take out of both of them. Try the next one. Yes, sir. You aren't allowed to take out the y because there wasn't a y in the other one. Now look at the next one. 2aab. And then this one here is 6ab. First question. What number divides into 6 and 2? No, it goes in 3 times. 2. 2 divides into 2, and 2 divides into 6. And that leaves, what's it? So that's 2. What letter do they have in common? Do you have 1A? And what else? 1B. So the answer is the largest thing you can take out of all of them is 2AB. Now, 7x and 14y. What number can we take out of that? I think it's already partially done first. What number can we take out? We can take out 7, can't we? Would you all agree with that? Now, 7 multiply, and see the way there's a plus in the middle? The plus occurs in the bracket as well. 7 multiplied by what gives you 7x? What's left over when you take the 7 out? So you slot an x in here. When you take 7 out of 14, that means it divides in twice. So what do we think here? 2y. What happens if you multiply back out your answer? What happens when you multiply 7 by x? Tick. And then 7 by 2y? 14y. Is that all right with you guys? Now, right now, for the next maybe 2 minutes or so, will you try these ones? The ones I'm highlighting. Just those ones there. For question 2, what do you think the answer is? What multiplies by 8 multiplied by what gives you 16? 2. 16a though. 2a. Plus sign. 8 multiplied by what gives you 24? 3b. Who got 2a plus 3b? Difficult, is it? All right. How about the next one? B multiplied by what gives you AB? What are we missing? So you have AB and BC. And what did you take away from it? You took out the B. So what's left over? A plus C. Because B multiplied by A is AB. B multiplied by C is BC. Okay, what about the next one after that then? 3a squared, what's that mean? 3a and 6a, isn't there? What did we take out of both of them? We took out 3a, we took out a 3 and we took out an a. So what's left over? Take out an a, take out the 3. What's left over? A. What's 3a multiplied by a? If you multiply it out? Yeah, done. Now, 3 multiplies by what to give you 6? Not 2a, just 2. So let me remind you, we took out the a and we divided by 3 to get 2. So there's only 2 left over. Alrighty. So I'm just going to stop it there today. So we did questions 2 and 3.